Hey guys, this is how to fix Sonos app not working. So guys, watch till the end as I discuss multiple solutions, and for Apple users, I will show a step-by-step guide on the left side of the screen. So the first solution is just simply go to the Google Play Store and tap on the search at the bottom and go for the search bar at the top and just simply search for Sonos. And after that, just simply tap on the application and just make sure you are running the latest version of the app. And guys, once there is an update, you should be able to update it over here and just simply tap on the three dots at the top right and make sure to enable the O2 update as well so you won't have any problems. Now, for the second solution, just simply go to the settings into your device and tap on apps. And after that, just simply scroll down. And now from here, just simply try to find the Sonos application and just simply tap on it and go for the storage and tap on clear cache and you should be able to fix it. But if it still doesn't, just simply go back over here and tap on clear data and tap on OK, and you should be able to reset the application. Now, for the third solution, is just simply go for the Sonos app. And after that, just hold it and just simply tap on uninstall. And from there, just simply tap on OK. And after that, just simply go to the Google Play Store and reinstall it back again into your device. And there you go. You should be able to fix it. If you have still issues with the app, feel free to leave a comment down below and I'll do my best to help you out. See ya!